In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an image from the Midjourney bot. If you've generated something in Midjourney and want to remove it, the process happens right inside Discord and only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it with confidence. Start by opening Discord and going to the place where the image was created. That could be a Midjourney channel, a thread, or a direct message with the Midjourney bot, depending on where you ran your prompt. Scroll until you find the exact message that contains the image you want to remove. It's important that you're on the original Midjourney post that shows the grid or the final upscale, because that's where the controls you need will appear. Under that image, you'll see a small row of reactions and buttons. This is the area where Midjourney places its controls, and it's also where you'll find the deletion option. Look for the X reaction or X button. On desktop, it will be just below the image among the other options. On mobile, you may need to tap the message once to reveal all the reactions. If you immediately see the X, click or tap it. That's all you need to do. The X tells the Midjourney bot to remove that job from your account on Midjourney's side, which includes your gallery and related listings. The action is automatic, so there's no extra confirmation screen to deal with in most cases. If the X isn't visible right away, open the reaction picker on that message and search for the X emoji, then select it to add the reaction. That performs the same deletion action. Give it a moment to process. If you're on a slower connection or working in a busy channel, it may take a few seconds. Keep in mind, this removes the job from Midjourney's records associated with your account. It doesn't retroactively remove copies that other users may have saved, and it may not delete the Discord message itself in channels where you don't have permission to manage messages. The key is that the item is taken out of your Midjourney gallery and history. A couple of quick tips to avoid mistakes. Make sure you're hitting the X on the correct image, especially if you created multiple variations. If you don't see reactions at all, expanding the thread or viewing the message in full often helps reveal them. And that's it. Open Discord, locate your Midjourney image, find the X reaction, and click it to delete. Simple, fast, and done.